All right, good morning. This is a 2007 Honda CRV. The customer complained that he was losing cold air. So when the vehicle gets warmer, then the air gets also warmer. So when the vehicle gets too, I mean it's has been running for a while, then will then he will be losing uh, air conditions and no cold air inside the cabin. And so we'll be doing a diagnostic on this one, and I already work on it a little bit, some diagnostic on that. I checked the relay. I checked the relay, and over here it was okay. It was good on that. The relay was good, and then while the car was running, start the car. So while the car was running, I don't see the cooling fan turning. The engine is at the temperature. Let me show you. Engine is already at the temperature. Right there. It's at the temperature, and both cooling fans should be running by now. When you turn the AC on. So, but the strange thing is, one fan is running and the other one is not. There's the fan on the passenger side, and it's not turning. And as you can see, the one on the driver's side was turning. So I don't know if you can see that. So this fan right here is turning, but the other one right there, it's not turning at all. Alright, so we'll be checking the wiring and see if we're getting a voltage on on here. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a reading from this harness right here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm gonna put my leads over here, and here. So what do you say? What do you see? A 12 volts? 13?
13.
So there is a 13 volts
13.
right there, and that should be enough to turn the fan on. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this back into the fan, and still the fan is not turning. As you can see right there, the fan is not on. Right there. So the cooling fan, that is the AC condenser cooling fan, and it's not on. So that is the problem, right there, why it's not cold inside, because the AC condenser cooling fan motor is not working. So we are going to replace this. We're gonna order the parts and then we'll install it when we receive the parts. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this cover. So we got the fastener is pulled out, so I'm just going to remove it. There we go. And then put that aside. Now we'll have an access to the cooling fan. Condenser cooling fan is on this side. It's on the right side, so meaning that's on the passenger side. So what we'll be doing is we'll be removing that bolt right here, and we'll be removing this crossbar, push it back, so then will give us access to pull the condenser fan. Alright, so there are bolts to remove on this end. There's 3 on this end and 3 on that end. And now I got them all out. So now it's just to remove the condenser fan. So I just pull this thing back, because only it's a little bit pushed right there. Okay, then I should be able to pull the condenser out. Alrighty, I use a bunch cord to pull this thing out, pull it to the back, and then pull this to the front. The radiator cord to the front, remove the fan out just like that. Okay, those are all the fan. And again, this is the new one. We're putting the new one in right here, and then we slide the new one in. Okay. Alright, so the new one is in. I just need to make sure the fan is aligned. So make sure it sits on the little bushing underneath. Then tighten this, and then we should be ready to go. Alright, so I should go ahead and do that. Alright. Alright, so I got the old coolant condenser fan right here. Okay, so then I already had the new one installed. Got them installed already. So and again, I have to remove all these bolts right here, and these brackets, and all these 3 bolts on this side, and also same on the other side. And once you get the bolts off, then you should be able to you pull this out, or you can just pull out a little bit, and then use a bungee cord to pull this back. That will give you room to open this up, and also once you get it open up and enough clearance to pull the condenser fan, then you just go ahead and pull the condenser fan out. Also, another thing is I went ahead and unbolt the cooling fan over on this side so that I can get to the bolts on this other end right here. Okay, so anyway, get them all put together, installed, and now it's ready to check it out. It's the moment of truth. Alrighty, so I turned the air conditioner on, and we'll check out the fan. Oh, sorry about that. And as you can see, the fan is working. Fan is turning. Of course you can see that, but right there. So we got the fan running now. So I told this it's a fix. Now we're ready to put the cover on. Ready to put everything back together. So all I got left is to put this on, and we are done. Alright, as you can see, temperature is kept coming down. Alright, so I changed places to where I can see it better for you. So from 90 degrees, now it's down to 52 degrees, and it's still coming down, you know, right there. So you can see the temperature is still coming down. Right there. So it's coming down. And we have AC. So, and both of the radiator fan and cooling fan is now turning. You can see turning. Now, so both fans is now working.